our brand name is Pioni Clothing. It is based in India, Bombay.
Okay.
So we are manufacturers of ethnic wear, blazers, formals, casuals. And it's been around 2 to 3 years since we have started this.
Okay. So what was in your mind like when you decided, okay, I will be coming here and I will be promoting my brand?
So it's a global platform which we're looking for here right now. It's a very good opportunity since we have a good product and the product is accepted universally. Basically, it's accepted globally.
Okay.
So we thought it will be a very good platform, and it is a very good platform because we are doing it in India, and in India also we are getting a very good response out of CML.
Okay. So please tell me how did your passion for garment manufacturing evolved? How was your journey like?
It was in our business itself. So we are into fabrics also.
Okay.
So after since we are into fabrics, imported fabrics, suiting fabrics for men's, after a point we started with garments also because we always enjoyed designing, always we interested in new concepts, new ideology, and that's what we are converting into a new ideology and new designs into our own brand.
Okay. Could you highlight a key product or innovation that you're excited to showcase at this exhibition, right?
So we have come out with a product which can be used multiply. So this piece, if you see, it can be used as a tuxedo also, and it can be used as a formal piece also, which you can wear it at any event. So this thing is completely detachable from the backside. This lapel, it comes out. So it can be used for a wedding also, and it can be used for a formal meeting also.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, that's what we are. So what we are doing is we are coming out of fashion which can be used anywhere. It is not just at a particular place or a particular occasion.
Right.
It can be used for any multiple purpose.
Any multiple purpose.
Yes.
Right. So, is there any specific, I would say, targeted region, targeted country that you're focusing right now?
No, there's nothing as specific, but our product, that's what I said to you, our product is, I think so, universally accepted, and it is a basic thing which, usually trousers and t-shirts and shirts are the things people usually wear, and that's the basic necessity. And what we are targeting, that blazers and formal two-piece, that should come into a basic necessity right now.
So tell me something, how has your journey been in the garment industry, and what challenges you think you have been throughout your whole brand innovation or upcoming your branding and everything? How was it like?
Time being, it's not an easy making a brand after looking at the competition.
Yeah.
But from production to fabric selection, everything is a challenge. But it's up to you how you make it through it.
Make it through.